To what extent could our thoughts and emotions interfere with the reality that surrounds us? Would the Hermetic principle of vibration be the answer to how ancient civilizations, like the Egyptians, achieved such wisdom in such remote times? The Hermetic philosophy originating in ancient Egypt has long been shrouded in mystery and intrigue. At its core are the 7 Hermetic principles, which serve as a blueprint for understanding the universe's functioning and our place within it. The 3rd principle, known as the principle of vibration, states that nothing rests, everything moves, everything vibrates. This principle highlights the inherent movement and energy within all things. From the microscopic level of atoms to the macroscopic level of celestial bodies, everything in the universe is in constant motion. It teaches us that the world we perceive is not static, but rather a symphony of continuous vibrations. On a spiritual level, this principle signifies that our thoughts, emotions, and actions are also vibrations, influencing not only ourselves, but also the people and environment around us. By recognizing and understanding this principle, we can become more aware of our thoughts and emotions, enabling us to align ourselves with higher vibrational frequencies that foster growth, healing, and transformation. The principle of vibration shares parallels with several other philosophical traditions. In Eastern philosophy, concepts like prana in Hinduism or ki in Chinese philosophy highlight the presence of vital energy within everything in the universe, resonating with the idea of vibrations. The Buddhist concept of anicca or impermanence mirrors the idea that everything is in constant motion and change. In quantum physics, the wave-particle duality theory suggests that particles exist simultaneously as both waves and particles, emphasizing the vibrational nature of matter. According to the New Thought movement, the very well-known law of attraction shares similarities with the principle of vibration, emphasizing the power of thoughts and emotions in shaping our reality. How does vibration affect reality? Cymatics is the study of visible sound and vibration, a field that explores the visual patterns and shapes generated when a medium, such as a liquid, solid, or gas, is exposed to specific frequencies. The concept of cymatics was first introduced by Dr. Hans Jenny, a Swiss scientist and artist, in the 1960s. He conducted a series of experiments to visualize the effects of sound waves on various materials, such as fluids, powders, and pastes, by placing them on a vibrating surface or membrane, like a metal plate or a drumhead. By altering the frequency and amplitude of the vibrations, Dr. Jenny was able to create a wide range of intricate patterns, demonstrating that different frequencies and waveforms produce distinct shapes. Cymatics provides a fascinating insight into the relationship between sound, vibration, and form, revealing that the invisible world of sound has a tangible and visible impact on the physical world. It also demonstrates the interconnectedness of the universe, as the patterns generated through cymatics often resemble natural forms, such as snowflakes, honeycombs, and even the arrangement of cells in living organisms. In recent years, cymatics has garnered interest from artists, musicians, and researchers alike. It has been used to create visually stunning art installations, music videos, and sound therapy sessions. Furthermore, cymatics has potential applications in the fields of material science, acoustics, and even medicine, as it offers a unique perspective on how vibrations can influence the structure and behavior of matter. However, another scientist, Dr. Leonard Horowitz, a prominent researcher in the fields of health, music, and spirituality, who has dedicated much of his work to the study of the 528 Hz frequency, claims that this specific frequency possesses remarkable healing properties, while also positing a conspiracy theory that implicates the British Standards Institute and the Rockefeller Foundation in the suppression of these benefits. Horowitz's research on the 528 Hz frequency is centered around the concept of solfeggio frequencies, an ancient six-tone scale believed to have healing properties. Among these frequencies, 528 Hz is often referred to as the miracle tone or love frequency due to its alleged ability to promote DNA repair, transformation, and overall well-being. According to Horowitz, the 528 Hz frequency resonates with the very fabric of the universe, connecting human beings to the divine and promoting spiritual awakening. He argues that music tuned to this frequency can induce profound healing effects on the mind, body, and soul, while also enhancing our connection with nature and the cosmos. Dr. Horowitz's research has led him to assert that there has been a deliberate effort to suppress the benefits of the 528 Hz frequency through the adoption of the standard concert tuning, which sets the reference pitch for the musical note A at 540 Hz, intentionally imposed upon the Western world as a means of controlling the masses. He believes that the British Standards Institute and the Rockefeller Foundation were instrumental in promoting this standard, which he claims results in physiological distress, spiritual suppression, physical illness, and financial impositions, which in turn would facilitate mass manipulation. Critics argue that there is insufficient evidence to support the conspiracy theory and that the decision to adopt the 440 Hz standard was based on practical considerations such as ease of instrument manufacturing and international standardization. However, proponents of the theory maintain that the global imposition of the 440 Hz standard has negatively impacted our physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Another interesting theory, known as the impact theory, as interpreted from Egyptian philosophy by Helena Blavatsky, a renowned occultist and co-founder of the Theosophical Society, revolves around the notion that spiritual knowledge and wisdom have the potential to profoundly transform individuals and society. This theory also emphasizes the interconnectedness of all life forms, positing that each being's spiritual evolution has a ripple effect on the collective consciousness. Ancient Egyptian philosophy, which forms the foundation of the impact theory, encompasses a rich tapestry of esoteric teachings, metaphysical concepts, and cosmological principles. At the core of these teachings lies the belief in the inherent divinity of all beings and the importance of harmonizing one's thoughts, emotions, and actions with the higher spiritual truths. Understanding the principle of vibration brings clarity to life, being the circumstances good or bad. By considering our vibrational state as the main responsible for creating the reality around us, we must also be aware of the responsibility it entails. All thoughts, emotions, or mental states have their degree and mode of vibration. To evolve is to develop our ability to accelerate our vibration patterns to the point of manifesting our reality. The stronger our vibrational field and certainty become, the easier it will be to attract what we desire. Our thoughts play a key role in this process, as they are the bridge between desire and manifestation. By tuning our vibration to another of the same vibrational frequency, we have the power to create an intense and powerful manifestation. In practice, the adoption of the following behaviors in your daily life will automatically set the principle of vibration into motion. Focus on what you want, not on what you lack. Use positive words to express your desires. Visualize your dreams becoming a reality. Be grateful for what you have. Meditate for at least 5 minutes. Replace worries with solutions. Be optimistic always. Take responsibility for your actions. There is much controversy and speculation around this subject, as in the case of Royal Raymond Rife, a man who invented a machine that he claimed could eliminate disease-causing microorganisms through the application of specific frequencies. Rife faced significant persecution and opposition from the pharmaceutical industry, but that's a story for another video.